Param Shanti. Welcome to our English channel Bapuji Dasrath Bhai Patel. Today's topic is on why do we have different faces in different births? Anand Bhaiya is asking the question. Param Shanti Bapuji. Welcome Bapuji. My question for today is why our faces change in every birth? If it is the same person, same soul, then the face acquired should also be the same. So what is the reason for the change in face, color, features, height and weight? Bapuji is answering. When a soul acquires a body, then the body that it acquires has different face, color, features are different in every birth. For every karma of every birth, the karma of your past life gets recorded in your casual body. If your past karma is good, then you will acquire good face, color, features and a good body in your next life. In a human body, you will enjoy good face, color and features. In this birth, if a person does bad things for 60 to 70 years of his life, there is a deficit or negativity in his casual body. A black aura is formed and your subtle body turns black. So, according to your karma, your subtle body turns black. When this kind of person is reborn and gets a new body, then this new body will be black. So, according to your karma, any kind of human soul or three element souls from the astral world, such as ghosts and spirits, or even the souls of gods like devatas, or any other souls, when the souls are reborn or reincarnated, then every time their features and color changes according to their past karma. So one might say, why this spirit? Why did this actress possess good futures in one birth? There are no dances in Indraslok? There were. There used to be danced in Indraslok. So where will Indra Lok's Menaka Ramba go? They will have to come to earth itself. Once she comes, she will act according to her sacrament, which is already recorded in her soul, such as dancing, singing, etc. So they will get the similar body and ultimately they use these good features and color that she had in Indraslok. But when they have the next birth, they might turn black. Their features and color will change. It is all karma. In one birth, a person can be multimillionaire. Why in one lifetime? He can become rich in a few years' time, say 10 to 20 years. How does he do that? The good karmas that he accumulated from last several births gives fruit in one birth. He enjoys good destiny. So when destiny is such, then he earns a lot of money. If he is doing good work and if he use this money in good work, then he can again earn good karma and enjoy. But if he can't take care of his money, sometimes he can lose money. Behind this, it is the theory of karma, and according to the karma, one can gain wealth, prosperity, good futures of the body and color. We have explained in detail everything in the video named The Theory of Karma. Anantbhai is asking, okay Bapuji, this topic is clearly understood that according to the karma, our destiny changes. Our body, features, colors and everything. The place of birth also changes. Parents also change. Bapuji is answering, parents also change. Yeah, one can be born as African Negroes too. Anantbhai is asking, so it depends on the karma of the soul, like with whom was the karma related to. Whoever the karma is bound to, the soul needs to go to them only. If our karma is bound to such people who will travel to hell, then they will pull us to hell too. As they say, if you support bad people, then bad things will happen to you too. Bapuji is saying, obviously, if you are associated with demons, the person who works with a demon is also a demon. The one who does wrong things, the one who make people suffer, the one who make people cry, they are called demons. And if you support such demons, then you too will earn bad destiny. If such a demonic person takes birth in forests of Africa, he will pull you to that place in another birth. Anandbhai is asking, sometimes such thoughts come to us that from where did these people come? Even today, there are some islands near India wherein the people of these islands have no contact with the outside world. Even today, they live a forest life. So we think that the world has reached to such a levels and these people are still leading a worthless life. There is no progress in their life. Bapuji is saying, he leads an tribal life. He does not know what is happening in the outside world. They have no contact with the outside world. So how will they know? Anantabhai is saying, okay, they are happy with their lives. So ultimately the fruits from the karma stays with the soul in every birth. And this same accumulated karma goes with the soul. Everywhere has a destiny. Bapuji, you have explained it very nicely in the video, Theory of Karma video part 1 and 2. Do watch this video. Bapuji saying, also do watch Life After Death. In Life After Death too, I have given many explanations. When you see many videos, then all your questions will be answered. Watching one or two videos will not help much. Watch plenty of videos to get all your questions answered. Anantbhai is saying, the Life After Death video is very good. 18 lakh people have watched it. More than 10,000 people have liked it. It is a request to everybody that whenever you watch a video, do like it. If you like it, YouTube will have an impression that this video is very good and they will recommend this video to many other people. Many people will gain from this. In order to spread this gyan, your sharing of videos is very important. Do like, share and comment on this video. Also do spread it through WhatsApp to all of your friends and relatives. Bapuji, thanks a lot. Param Shanti.
की परम शांति सोचो बोलो परम शांति
Join us daily for live meditation, 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. on YouTube Live. Subscribe now. Website www.paramshanti.org. Email us anand@paramshanti.org. Like, share, subscribe. Join today.